teaching LeetCode problem solving. What is the problem number is 2710. What problem name is remove the trailing zero from the string. Let's go reading the question. Given the positive integer number of the represented string, return the integer without trailing zero. Okay. Uh, what is the problem statement? They give a string with trailing zero. Task is end of the string have the zero, remove them. Okay, let's go to example one. They give a string with trailing zero. Uh, they have two trailing zero. Two trailing zero, we remove them, return the integer string. Okay, example 2, they give without trailing zero. Without trailing zero came, will return same string. Okay, let's understand you. Okay, let's move on the code. Okay, first of all size of the string declare. Okay, next, what is the task? My approach is the string reverse, the when non-zero number C saw, then stop. That index to end of the uh, string 1 to 5, and that string only return. This is my approach. Okay, first I reverse the list, reverse the string. Okay, I I return the loop. I store, I get the that index, the character, and get the one character. Okay, let's I decide to uh, that character, on the one character, convert to integer. Okay, I store in that character in any name you give. Initially that integer k is 0. Okay, I store in the integer is k is the the character store in k. Okay, the what is the 0 double quotation? The character convert to integer. Okay, that's meaning is character convert to integer. That let's that number is not equal to that integer not equal to 0, k not equal to 0. After I store in the index uh, another index. Okay, okay, let's declare index. The k and the index, what is the I is when not equal to 0, when the number 1, the when and that k is not equal to 0, that the one is store is the The one index is store. Okay, after break statement give, after that I store the, after return the statement. Okay, return num substring 0 0 comma index. Okay, what is the meaning of substring? Substring means what is the zero to in index. What is the index breakdown? Less 1, not equal to k equal, then leave in 1, 0 to that index. Okay, that's that substring that return the num. Okay, after the, what is the value, the what is the output? Let's see. Accept. Okay, let's submit. Okay, 100 percentage, 100 percentage bit. Okay, let's go to explain the code. Okay, first of all, i I am, I declare the length of the string. Okay, let's I reverse the string. Why? Because I'm I when I saw the non-zero, I stop the index, I store the index. Okay, and that non-zero index is 1, this one, this example. Okay, the what is the char at meanings is, I saw every character 0 contains is stored. Uh, then the k is that 0 contains integer, convert to integer, not equal to 0. When not equal to 0 come to store in index after break. When is the not equal to 0, that 1 is not equal to 0. It's came to the -1, uh, came to 1, store the character, and the character minus uh, double quotation 0 means that 1 convert to integer. Okay, k 1 not equal to 0, true. When the index, what is the index is, the index is store the index. Okay, then breakdown. After that, string substring is 0 to that that 5 to that index, traverse the all element, return the all element. Okay, you see the output. Okay, thank you.